There are 10 steps to migrating to the new Catamount WordPress theme. I'm going to walk you through them. The first, we're going to capture the navigation on your current site. To do that, go to your current site, click on the menu button, and then take a screen grab. Command-Shift-4 on the Mac, block your nav off so you have a record of it that you can refer to, and then take a screen grab. On the PC, it's print screen on your keyboard. Next, we're going to export the content from your site. Go to your site, open the dashboard, go to Tools, Export, select all content, download export file. It downloads an XML file to your downloads folder. Next, we're going to create a new WordPress site. It's going to be a place for you to import that new content to. This is really easy. There's some steps in a video to lead you through this. Just scan that QR code and follow that. It involves basically going to blog.uvm.edu. It may look different than this by the time you are attempting to do it. This site is not yet updated to the new WordPress theme, but you'll see at the top of the page somewhere something about creating a new site. It's right here, create a site. And you just go through this process of creating a new site. So again, scan the QR code. It's really easy, and get your new WordPress site spun up. Next, you're going to import the content, the XML content you exported, into your website. To do that, you would go to Tools in your dashboard and Import, and then run the importer. Click on Choose File, navigate to your downloads, pick the XML file, and then upload the file and import everything. It is going to ask you to map the content to a new user. I'm picking myself, so content that belongs to me, this author, applying it to me in the new site. You're going to have to do that too, and then click Submit. It's going to give a report of its success and maybe some errors, but it's easy. Don't worry about it. Just run that submit and import your XML content. Next, you have to get the new theme on your site. So let ETS, that's Enterprise Technology Services, know that you have a new WordPress site that needs the new theme, and they will put it on the site for you. Now, just because it's on your site doesn't mean it's applied to your site. So you're going to need to do that. You can see this site has the old theme. It has the old green at the top, even though the new logo's here. It has the old navigation menu. Go to the dashboard, Appearance, Themes, and you can see the old theme is applied. It's up in the upper left corner. UVM 2019. Select the Catamount theme and activate it. Then when you view your site, the new theme, you can see it's new. It has a header that's green, new theming here, new type styles. You can tell that the footer is new. And my site has the new navigation because I've rebuilt it. But your site is not going to come over with the new navigation. It's because WordPress used to use the classic way to make navigation on sites, and now they're using blocks. So it's an entirely different way to make navigation in WordPress. Here's a QR code to link to the video. It's all about how to rebuild the navigation of your site. It's easy, it's not going to take long, and you only need to do it once. The other thing you're going to need to pay attention to is just take a look at all the layouts on your site. If your site used atomic blocks or AB blocks, to make layouts on your site for things like accordions or multi-column layouts, atomic blocks is no longer supported by WordPress. This is not UVM making this decision. It has been deprecated. So it's not available, and those layouts are going to need some love. They're going to need to be rebuilt in the new WordPress. So pay attention to that. There's not a one-to-one prescription for how to do that. It's on an instance by instance basis what to do with the layout. Stop and help hours, and we can help you do that. When you feel comfortable with your new site going live, let ETS know that your site is ready to go live. Give them the name of your website's URL or the old name of your website. They will then apply that to the new site, and that will become your new site. Make sure you turn on site indexing after the site goes live if you want your site to be indexed with search engines. That's it. Then you successfully migrated to the new theme and you don't need that old site anymore, so you can retire it. ETS will help you. Don't forget, if you need support during any step of this process, stop into help hours for WordPress and we'll help you.